Okay guys, now we're in the last section of whole numbers. Okay, now let's move on to lowest common multiples. So what is a lowest common multiple? A lowest common multiple is the lowest common multiple between two or more numbers. So let's start off. What is a multiple? A multiple are the numbers we get after multiplying a number by an integer. If you're battling with multiples, make sure you watch the multiples video. Otherwise, just remember this definition. So if I asked you, what are the multiples of 12? 1 times 12, 2 times 12, 3 times 12, 4 times 12, 5 times 12. These numbers, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, are multiples of 12. It could just keep on going forever. We could just keep on increasing that integer. So some multiples of 12 are that, including it that way, and including it that way. Remember, it can be negatives. So what are the multiples of 15? We know there's 1 times 15, 2 times 15, 3 times 15, 4 times 15, 5 times 15. And we get our multiples 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Right? And again, that increases on forever. And these are some 5 multiples of 15. Now, you might need to find more in your questions, but we're going to use these for now. So what is now the lowest common multiple between 12 and 15? Right. What is the common multiple? So we see that there's 12, 12. No, 12 is not. 24, no 24. 36, no, there's no 36. 48, no, there's no 48. 60, ooh, there's a 60 here. Okay, so that is our lowest common multiple. So this would be the lowest common multiple between 12 and 15, and the answer would be 60. We could double that to get another common multiple, but it would not be the lowest. It's important we're looking for the lowest. Another thing I forgot to mention is you can't use negatives for this. Otherwise, it will go on forever. We're looking for the lowest positive common multiple. Right? So looking at lowest common multiples, let's try these examples. What is the lowest common multiple between 5 and 7? Right? So what we do, we say 5 times 1, 5 times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5. Let's do 5 to start with. That is equal to 5. That is equal to 10. That is equal to 15. That is equal to 20. That is equal to 25. Okay. Let's do 7. 7 times 1 is equal to 5, is equal to 7, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5. 14, that is equal to 7 times 3 is equal to 21. That is equal to 28. That is equal to 35. We're not finding one yet, hey? But 35 is divisible by 5, I know that. So what if we went 6 times 5 is 30, that's not there either. What about 7 times 5? That is 5, or 5 times 7 is equal to 35. So this here, 35, is a common multiple, and it is the lowest common multiple between 5 and 7. So what is the lowest common multiple between 6, 10, and 15? Right, let's start off with our big 15. 15, we know the first one is 15. We know the next multiple is 30. Can 6 divide into 30? It can't divide into 15. 10 can't divide into 15. But 30 could work. See, what is 30 divided by 10? That is equal to an integer of 3. Good. So 10 works. 15 works. And what is 30 divided by 6? That equals 5. It's not 15, we couldn't work, so 30 is the lowest common multiple of these three numbers. 30 would be your answer. Well done. That is lowest common or highest common factor and lowest common multiples done. Next, we're going to be moving on to exponents. We've done with whole numbers now. Well done, guys.